All right, welcome. My name is Ray Schwartz. Thanks for watching this quick training. I'm going to run through this as fast as I possibly can. No fluff here. I'm going to show you how you can generate thousands of subscribers, whether it's right out of the gate in the first week that you use RevStack, or if you implement this strategy over time, you're going to start to see your subscriber base grow. And it's using what's called a comment bot. So I'm going to jump in and explain really why you should be doing this, and then I'm going to go over to the screen and show you how easy this is to set up a campaign and launch it right now, today, inside of RevStack. The first thing that I want to talk about is Facebook and how the news feed is changing. The news feed for Facebook, they're really running out of room. In the past, you could have a page where you'd have a lot of different likes and a lot of different followers on Facebook. And you would end up posting your content and they would see it inside of their feed. However, Facebook changed their algorithm over the last year, and now the feed is mainly filled with ads and posts from friends and family of what they like and what they comment on. Organic reach is dead. Now, you can read a lot of different articles on this that's going to talk about how little your content is being seen by your likes. So if you don't have a lot of likes on your page, it doesn't really matter. You'll, through good marketing and good content, start to accumulate likes. And really the best way and the only way now to get a like, to convert, and to get engaged right now that I know of is using Facebook Live. But that's another course, another day. For this, we want to engage and turn followers or our email list, or use this for advertising, these comment bots, to rapidly grow our subscriber base. So before I go in and show you the why and then the how to do this, there's a major shift right now that's taking place in customer acquisition. I'm not going to go too deep into it. On our main page, you can listen. I have an audio magnet, as well as I talk about this throughout in a lot of different videos, a lot of different podcasts, as well as an article that you can read on Medium that talks about this. But this is taking place. Your business, most small businesses have not even started to even understand this shift, whereas Fortune 500 companies are dumping cash into this. So it's called conversational commerce. And the reason we want these to convert these followers and an email list to subscribers is one main reason: engagement. Messenger is engaging. There's over 1 billion plus people on it. We've seen an average open rate when adding in Messenger into our follow-up campaigns of 80+%. And we've seen a 10 times click-through rate compared to email. Think about it. The average email right now is being opened by a very limited number of people. Even a good email is 10 to 20%. Not to mention how many of your emails hit spam folders or the promotional tabs that now Gmail and Yahoo have that segment your email into a folder that most people don't even read. People are adopting messaging at a rapid rate. 45.8% of consumers would rather communicate with a business through a messaging app rather than using email. 80% of businesses will have some sort of chatbot automation implemented by 2020. If you use RevStack and you go through this training that I'm showing you right now, you're going to be a leg up on most Fortune 500 companies that I've talked to, as well as pretty much every local company locally in your market that you're competing with. They have not even started to implement this. And this shift that's taking place is going to separate and help grow some of the small businesses into regional contenders, maybe even national players. So the writing is on the wall. There's plenty of ways that you can go in and learn more about this. But let's talk about how the chatbot works before I go in to show you how to do it. What the hell is a comment bot? What does that mean? A comment bot, it's very simple. You post any post, or you can do this with ads. You can amplify it with ads. You post something, and in there you say comment below. So anyone that comments a certain word, groups of words, a bunch of different words, I mean, you can get as fancy with this as you want. I've even seen people go in and they do a quiz here that's like, do you like A, B, or C? Comment A, B, C, D, or E, whatever it is below, and we'll send you out a nice little gift or lead magnet or whatever it may be. So how it works is, and I'm going to show you, so don't worry, you don't need to take notes now. I'm going to go in and show you how to set this up very easily. But the basis of, they comment something that you program in, a keyword, and when they comment that, it automatically follows up with that person that is commenting on your Facebook post or ad. This is great for social sharing, because when they post or comment below, it's going to show up and pop up a lot of the time on the wall of all of their friends and contacts. So it allows you to share and rapidly grow without having to pay additional money to Facebook. There's no need for a landing page. You can run this and set this ad up or this post, and you can automatically push them inside of chat using RevStack to sign up or to deliver them content or deliver them video or whatever they need. You don't need any landing pages or web pages for this. It's really a one-click, one-word subscription. They can click Get Started, they can click something in the menu, they can type whatever they want, and once they do that, once they engage, now they're automatically subscribed to your bot. The Facebook algorithm loves this for advertising as well as for organic reach, because remember, it's someone that's commenting and that person is sharing it with their friends. So what happens is all of these comments is going to rapidly increase the amount of engagement. Facebook algorithm sees that, they love it, they start to show it to more people. You're also going to get a lot of social proof on the post if it's got thousands of comments on it. People are going to open it, they're going to look at it. Facebook algorithm likes that. You can easily use this to convert a group. You can use it to convert followers. And one trick I found is to use this for Facebook Live. So if you're doing a Facebook Live, you can get that post after you've recorded it, pop it in there, and reply to all the comments. You can amplify this, as I said, with ads to really reach a lot of people, not only your followers, and you can set these ads up to rapidly boost subscribers. I did that twice, one-click, one-word subscription. Contests, giveaways, and ads, as I said. These contests and these giveaways work extremely well for this. You say, comment below to get a free vacation, comment below to download a free voucher, whatever it may be. The contests and giveaways for these work extremely well. And in a course, if you become a user, I show you how to set up these viral comment bots. But for now, let me jump in and show you how to set this up very easily. Just a simple post that you see here, and get this thing up and running in the next 10 minutes. Now, there's a lot of implementations for this. You can use this across the board for a number of different post types. You can use it in advertisements on Facebook. You can use it everywhere on Facebook that you're posting. So I started a post here to give you an idea of how to set these up. So when you go in here, you have to make it juicy. Now, this isn't going to be a copywriting course. There's plenty of ways to write copy. I'm going to put together, if you sign up for and become a paid customer, I have a number of different go-to strategies for writing ads, as well as a number of resources that you can use. But I like to keep them very simple and ask a question to call out my target market. Are you burnt out chasing down bad online leads that never turn into sales? Okay, I'm not going to read all this through, but you see, I go through, I give some checkpoints here. It's a pretty long post. I put a nice picture here that's going to grab people's attention. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to post this, but I'm not going to post it right away, okay? If it's the middle of the night and you want to post this and test it, I'd say go ahead and do it. But what I like to do is I like to set this up and have it at any time. So I'm going to post this post later on so that I can go in and set up the comment chatbot in RevStack and have this post and then automatically be set up. Now, the reason for that is if you go in and post this right away and people start commenting below and you haven't connected to the RevStack comment bot utility, it's not going to send them the message. Go on and hit schedule. Remember here, up in the, let me go back. In the font here, I'm saying comment below, automate and grow. Comment below, automate and grow. And that's what's going to trigger. You have to tell them that you're going to send them a message. That's part of Facebook's rules. So comment below, automate and grow, and we will send you a message to sign up for our free weekly training so you can start working less and making more. You get it. Okay? Now when you're done, go to schedule. And make sure, one thing, it's starting to add automatically a send message button. You do not want that here because you want the people to comment, and that's what engages them. It doesn't have the send messenger call to action. You can do this for a number of things. You can tag products, whatever you want to do to set it up. Now, go in, see this arrow here, and hit schedule. Okay, today is the 26th. I'm going to schedule this, let's just say the 30th. It's my birthday. Schedule. Okay. Okay, so everything is scheduled now. You're going to want to go in and hit hit posts. Going to want to see here one scheduled post, scheduled for Sunday, December 30th at 12:10. Hit see post. Okay, so there are all the scheduled posts. So all you're going to do is click. Okay, here's the post. Click it. Click. All right, now you're going to take the post ID, which is right here. Copy this. Okay, copied right here. You're going to want to. All right, so the next stage is to go in. As you can see here, go to Tools, Growth Tools. That's why I'm here. You're going to go down to Comment Bot, Automate and Grow 2019. Okay, Post ID. I'm going to take that Post ID that I got from here. Right here. I'm going to cut and copy that in. And when someone, remember, comments, automate and grow. Okay. Now you're going to reply with your message. Now, Facebook used to allow you to send buttons. They do not allow you to do that anymore. So when you're replying here, you have to get them to engage in a certain sequence, obviously. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up a keyword. And I'm going to show you how to do this next. But what you're going to want to do is reply with a message. So say, to access our latest training and weekly growth marketing videos, please type automate 2000. Make it easy. Grow 2019 below in the messages. All right, we're going to hit submit. All right, so it's set up now. You can see that it just saved the bot. It created the rule. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to keywords, keyword recognition. I'm going to go automate 2019, select channel, messenger, keywords, grow 2019. And if you see here, you're going to want to put a semicolon because sometimes people are dum-dums. So I always put one with these because sometimes people think, even though you quote it, that they need to put that. So I'm going to put 2. And just in case, I'll do this. And then all you're going to do next is select your sequence. Okay. And then from there, it's going to start all of the follow-up. All right. So now that everything is set up, let's test it and see if it works. Remember now, you're going to want to click this. You want to post on your personal behalf, not if you're locked in here on your page. That's going to mess it up. Okay, see here? Okay, it's working. It just messaged me. The reason why this is not, it says attachment is not currently available, is because it hasn't posted yet. So once it posts and you send this out, it will show a picture of this post and a link that they can click. Okay, grow 2019. Okay, there we go. It just triggered that campaign. What's the best email? See how it highlights my email here. We're done. Now they're engaged. Now I'm going to go through and give them my information. Okay, we'll need to verify you're not a cyborg. I give them my phone number. You can verify and take them through a sequence now to either convert them to a lead, put them into a contest. They're now subscribed. I am doing this with almost all of my posts. I want to take people from viewers and followers to subscribers of my chatbot, because I know if I can get them engaged in Facebook Messenger, I have a lot better chance of turning them into a customer. Now you can do this if you go live, you can do this. You can do it really for any posting type. So we're going to have, if you become a paid user, a number of different trainings on how to leverage this to make more sales and more money. As I said before, if you do this correctly and you have a large follower base, you could get thousands of subscribers very quickly. You can also remember when they're commenting below here, everyone in their friend circle is also seeing that comment show up in their news feed. So the amount of viral growth for this is really unlimited. You can also go in and take this same post and boost it or use it to run advertisements to it. Now, in closing, the one thing that you cannot do with this is don't try to, for example, share it. For some reason, when you share a post and you're sharing it, let's say from RevStack, and you want to share it to your personal audience, it will not show up that way. So the only way to do it, if you want to share it, is to comment on it and then go in and take this post and literally do a post with the post in it. And they can click it and go to it. And then from there, they can go in and comment and trigger this bot. Keep watching the trainings. Keep going through and implementing this in your business. It's going to start to compound and grow your subscriber base. And from there, as I said, the engagement is through the roof. You can take them through a process that's engaging, entertaining, and that's going to turn into more customers. So thank you for watching this quick training. Set this up today. Start doing this on all your posts. And if you don't have any followers, set this up just like this, post it, and run a bunch of ads to it to start getting not only people that like your page, but also people that engage in comments and become a Facebook chatbot subscriber. Have a great day. Happy hunting.